You don't have to worry and not to be afraid. Joy comes in the morning, trouble never lasts away. For there's a friend in Jesus who will wipe your tears away. And if your heart is broken, just lift your hands and say, oh, I know that I can make it. I know that I can stand, no matter what may come away. When life is in your hands, no matter what may come away. My life is in your hands. When trials and temptations ever seem to let you down, and all your friends and lovers are nowhere to be found, remember